Hi everyone, Miss Frizzle back again for National Coffee Day. Of course, wearing my caffeine molecule dress and my caffeine molecule necklace. Did you know coffee was discovered in 800 AD by a shepherd in Ethiopia? Since then, Brazil has become the leading exporter of coffee, producing over 2.3 million tons of coffee every year. That's a lot of coffee. You know what's really a lot of coffee though? 26.5 pounds. That's what the average Finn drinks per year. The average American adult only drinks 11 pounds. Me, on the other hand, well, there's nothing average about me. And all those cups of decaf you drink? Well, the caffeine extracted from those decaf beans is then sold to soda companies so they can put caffeine in their soda. Bet you didn't know that. So happy National Coffee Day. Enjoy a cup or two, and I'll see you guys next time.